It's that time of year, fall sports. Sometimes, of course, means sports-related injuries. And while the pads protect the athletes' bodies, you parents shouldn't just be concerned about protecting that. How about the eyes? We have Dr. George Shields. He's an optometrist with MyEyeDr here. Thank you, sir, for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Well, we think of, the concussions, etc., which are very important, but at the same time, we're hearing about and seeing other sports and other activities where you can prevent some of this with your kids.
Yes, and when it comes to certain sports, we know, and we relate, like lacrosse, one of Maryland's big sports, lacrosse and football, and even baseball, the helmets have the shields now. Mm-hmm. They're blocking, they're keeping fingers away, so we're getting less scratches in the eye. We think that that's going to protect the eyes quite well, but we still see that there are kids who are wearing eyeglasses underneath their helmets, just regular eyeglasses, and we think, okay, well, that's fine, that's safe, you think, and yet it's not truly safe because we can still have impact. We can have the frame shatter. Mm-hmm. You can have the frames break underneath the helmet with some of the jarring blows that patients will suffer. And so we recommend certain types of eyewear for certain sports. Yeah,
tell us too, you're saying about dry eyes. Tell us about that.
Well, we don't think of swimming as being really a dangerous sport, or cycling or jogging being a dangerous sport, but yet with that air blowing across the face and the eyes, with these certain sports like cycling, like running, blocking the wind, in addition to protecting the eyes from the UV light, blocking the wind can reduce dryness that patients may feel. They may be aware of, they may not be aware of, but that can damage the eyes. Sometimes, in severe cases, it can lead to scarring and increased risk of infection.
So it's just a matter of prevention, right? In terms of before these things happen, to come see a specialist like you.
Yes, an eye care provider, at MyEyeDr, we try to ask the questions and find out, what are the patients doing? What are their needs? What are their demands? And then how can we address them as specifically as possible? Because they may not be aware that there's problems or potential problems that could exist that we could easily prevent.
Good information and to prevent a lot of things from happening, and not just in contact sports. Thank you so much, Doctor.